In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product block to your Mailchimp email campaign. We're going to walk through the exact process so you can showcase items from your store directly in your email, complete with an image, price, description, and a clear call to action. This is a great way to drive traffic to your product pages and increase conversions. First, open your Mailchimp account and head to the Campaigns area. This is where all of your email campaigns live. Find the specific campaign you want to work on, open it, and choose Design Email to enter the builder. If you're using a saved template or a previous draft, that's fine. Just make sure you're in the editor where you can modify the content. Inside the editor, click Add Content Block. This opens the library of blocks you can place in your email. Look for the product block. It's designed specifically to pull in product details in a clean, shoppable format. Click the product block to begin adding it to your message. Next, you'll select your product source. If you have a connected store, such as Shopify or WooCommerce, you can pull in products directly, which saves time and helps keep details consistent. If a manual product option is available in your account, you can also use that to add a product by entering details yourself. Connected stores are typically the quickest route, but manual is helpful when you want full control or need to feature something not synced. Choose the exact product you want to feature. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct variant, if applicable, like size or color, to avoid any confusion later. When you're ready, click Insert or Add to Email. Mailchimp will place the product block into your design with the selected details. Now refine the product block so it matches your brand and goals. You can update the image for clarity and consistency, making sure it's high quality and properly cropped. Check the price for accuracy, especially if you run promotions. Tailor the description to be concise and benefit-driven. Highlight what matters most to your audience. Finally, adjust the button text to something action-oriented, like Buy Now or View Product. With connected products, the button link is usually filled in automatically, but it's a good idea to double-check it in the block settings. As you fine-tune, keep your layout clean, use scannable language, and preview on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks great. A clear image, accurate price, and a strong call to action can make a significant difference in click-throughs and sales. And that's it. You've added a product block to your Mailchimp email and customized it for maximum impact.